A warm welcome to you, our dear viewers. Welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to learn how to use FreshWorks CRM. Because you simply use one app to achieve greater alignment between your sales and marketing teams and provide smooth experience for your customers. You are also able to use advanced AI capabilities, and that is using Freddy's AI powerful automation capabilities. And then with FreshWorks, you are able to engage better with customers in terms of the best leads. You can communicate on the preferred channels, and then you engage them on any on things such, and then you can also engage them in a personalized way, especially on behavioral based conversations. So to get to FreshWorks, you go to freshworks.com, and I'll be leaving the link to that in the description of this video. Then on the right hand side, you can sign up with Google, or you can sign up with your email and then a password. And then after that, it will bring you here. You notice you have the dashboard. So if you click on the dashboard here, this is our dashboard. So this is our dashboard, and on the dashboard, you notice we have reports, that is for sales dashboard report. We have activities, sales, that is activities dashboard report. And then we can add any new. For instance, we want to add another report here. We click on the plus there, and then you can select a report type here. So to add a new report, you click on the plus sign here, add report, and then you can now select from this list. Is it a product dashboard? Is it a team activity report, sales trends, or any other? So in this case, I want it to be a product dashboard. I simply click that, and you now notice we have a product dashboard. So with the dashboard at the top here, this is where you add your reports. So this just gives you a summary, and this is how your data should look like once you start feeding your data here. Remember, this is just a sample data. So if we go to contacts, this is now where you can add new contacts. This is where you can update your contacts. So you notice here, we have these contacts already. We have for Spectre, we have for Jane, Laura, and Jay. So all these are contacts. So you can see all the details we have here: the name, the email, the work, next activity, the score, the tags, sales owner, and then all the status and the accounts here. So if you want to add a new contact, you simply click on add contact at the top here, and then you'll now be able to type the details here. I want to call my new contact name to be Joyce, and then the last name Muya, and then the accounts here. I can start typing and get the accounts that I have here. So, but you can use the drop down arrow here to get the other accounts. So like in this case, I want this one to be a widget IO sample account, and then I can type the email here. So their email for this one is J Patel. So you just start typing, and then you can pick a label here. Is it personal or other, or is it work? I'll put this as personal. Then you put the mobile number here. You enter the work here. Then in this case, I'm the owner. I'm the sales owner here, but you notice I can select someone else here if I was to add members. Then you can add their subscription status. Maybe these are a new person. They have not subscribed. And then they may be unsubscribed and they have a reason. You can select the reason down here. You notice we have, I no longer want to receive emails from you. I received too many emails. So whatever the reason, it's down there. You can add all these others here. And then you click on, you can also change the status here. Is it a new person, or a contacted person, or is it an interested or unqualified? Let's say this is a contacted person. I'll click on that and click on save. And you notice now our contact has been successfully added. So if you want to see the details about your contact, let's come back to contact here. You click on the specific contact where you want to see the details. You notice we just added Joyce Muya here. So now, if we want to see all the details of maybe, let's say, a person like Spectre, you are going to click on Spectre, and then all the details about him are revealed here. So notice we have his name, account type here, we have the email, we have the mobile number, we have the work, we have the external ID, and all these details. So that's where you view all the details about your contact. So if we come to the field history, we can look at what was edited when. If you have any files between this contact, you click on files, you'll notice whichever number of files we have here. Currently we only have one file from Spectre, which is basically the JPG. So that's where you get all the details. Now if you want to specifically email him or her, or call or send an SMS or a note or a task, that's what you do at the top here. For instance, if you want to send an email, you click on send email. If you want to call, you can directly click on make a call, and this call that was added and the contact that was added will be called. But if you click on the drop down arrow, you notice you can select the number that you want to call this person through. Is it the mobile or the work number? Then the SMS again, you can send an SMS to mobile or to work. You can add a note. So if I click on add note, you notice I get a chance to type here. Maybe I'll just type here, nice doing business with you. So I've added my note there. Then I click on save so that my note is now saved. So I can add a task the same way I've added a note. You simply click on task, then add. You can add a meeting. And if you click on add a meeting, you will notice that you'll have to add the title for the meeting here. Maybe it is the introduction meeting. That's what you are going to type at the top here. And then you can choose the time for the meeting, the date, the time here, and then you can add a video conferencing, either Zoom or Connect Teams, and then you can add the description. And once you are through with all that, you click on save on the bottom right corner here. So that's how you now deal with specific contacts. So if I close this one, the next thing you can do with FreshWorks is that you can also view all your accounts here. So notice if you click on accounts, you can view all the accounts here. And again, you can add more accounts. If you want to add, you click on add account, and with account here, you'll add the name, then the related contact, the website, the open deals, and all this, plus their phone number. So the same way we added members, you click on add account. Next here, you can see the deals. So, and here in terms of deals, we have new, we have qualification, discovery, demo, and you can add new. So for instance, if we have a deal that maybe we want to call unqualified deals, we can simply, and maybe we don't want anything to do with lost deals, we can simply click on add deal at the end here. So, but if we want to add a deal under any of these, for instance, discovery, we don't have any deal under this one, you click on add deal, and then you'll give the details about which contact is related to that deal. So maybe it's related to Joyce. You simply start typing. You notice we have Joyce there, Joyce Moya. Related account, you start typing. You just type the account there, then you put all the details here, including the value here. Maybe it's about 100. And once you're satisfied, you click on save. So now you notice we have a discovery deal under Moya. That's how you add deals. Next here we have conversations. This is where you can now connect your inbox to FreshSales. You can connect Gmail, Microsoft, Zoho, and you can also connect others. And that's the beauty with FreshWorks. You are able to just connect all this. So, and then next here, if you now start doing business here, you can view your analytics here. So currently you notice my analytics for product dashboard, for team activity, for sales trends. I can view all of them here. If you come to the last item here, that is admin settings, this is where you can now set your FreshWorks account. You notice here we have the communication channels. Here we have the incoming emails, email sending domains. You can adjust all that. Then we have the font settings. Then we have the chat settings. This way you can connect your FreshWorks to social media platforms such as Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp. You notice we can link all those ones here. And then you can set your chat settings in terms of chat widgets, the topics, the canned responses or files for the chats and all that. So that's how you can adjust all these settings, including CRM modules and different automations for your FreshWorks CRM. So I hope this has been helpful. That's a basic introduction on how you use FreshWorks CRM. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.